would you do if we pulled RF Plus away from you? And he looks at me and says, I'll quit. It's real simple. And back then, you know, they were good at what they did, right?
It dramatically changed everything, every process we have in the logistics side of our business.
It's been quite a journey. So I think one of the benefits that really have helped is the fact that we can do more with the same amount of people, or every once in a while with a little bit less. Or we've been able to redistribute tasks to be more efficient in terms of actually moving our product rather than going and finding our product.
We certainly increased our visibility. We improved it 100%. We basically went from not having really anything to, having a very nice system where, again, we've got, full control and able to see what's happening, where things are at. We had certainly a better appreciation by the whole company of the visual ERP system. It wasn't just a software for accounting or for finance. It was now being used in manufacturing and operations.
Oh, great, fantastic results. One of the biggest things that we struggled with was accuracy. We were about in the 50 to 60% inventory accuracy range before we went live with RF Plus, and now we're sitting at the high 80s. So we've seen about a 40% improvement in our inventory accuracy, and that's both location, which was our biggest issue, as well as quantity. And people would spend hours. That's dramatic. And that segues right into transactions per labor hour. We're up 20%.
Hi, we're using at Sweetworks, we're using RF Plus for shipping, receiving, inventory management, physical count, and work order issuing. We're really happy with the product. It simplifies our work for our people in the warehouse, and it's actually allowed them to do more transaction in less time.
Before we went on RF Plus 3 to 4 years ago, we took us 3 days to count, and then another 2 to 3 days to enter tags. So you're talking 5 to 6 days for inventory. The first year that we did with RF Plus and handhelds, we were done counting in a day and didn't have to enter tags. It's awesome. We finished with our physical inventory in 3 days. That took us 5 to 6 normally. Awesome.